Oh my word. Calamari in Creole sauce.
Hi everyone, welcome to Erny's. Right in here.
Actually one of our favorite places to eat. Yes, check our temperatures.
I'm good, even though it's hot in the sun. A little bit of the spritz.
Spritz and temperature and me.
Next for Ricky.
Hi, and this is the lovely Davina. She's always our waitress. She's amazing. Thank you. And we're in. Please. We will sit in the front like we normally do. Yes. Thank you.
We always pick this table. It's got the best views and it has the greenery which makes Ricky's eyes pop. Well, not seen here, she's wearing her sunglasses. See what I mean? Poppy green eyes.
And here come our menus, like we ever look at them.
Open to cocktails. We hardly ever look at them.
Cocktails. Thanks, Davina. The cocktails are actually great because they use like fresh fruit, phoenix, and all the rest of the wonderful things.
She also normally has a board outside where they have all the specials on.
Okay, so you got specialities and skewers with choices of sauces. This is amazing. And then your little snack things. If you just want a little quick snack or a wonderful healthy salad. Look at that marlin salad. Yum.
While she's looking at the menu, does the table rock a little?
Yeah, it does.
Well, look at this. How awesome. You can actually fix it. Pull it back to you, Rick.
Oh, it's got a foot.
It's got a special thing. Haha, rock it now. I love that. That is like one of the best attention to details. It's like a little shoe that you can put under if it rocks a bit. Oh wow, that was quick. Ricky went off menu. She's getting the chips and salad.
It says.
You can get the chips. Okay. But it's calamari with Creole sauce. And I, of course, am getting the greatest thing. It's bowl reverse or magic bowl or bowl reverse. I don't really know.
Upside down bowl.
It's an upside down bowl and it's like my favorite thing. And the first thing I ever had at Erny's. And I'll tell you that story in a minute.
Yeah. Okay, so that is Pereybere Beach just over there. And that's why we really like to come to this place. But on their menu, they've got a lot of things like beef and prawns and calamari and chicken, and you can get them in a Creole sauce or a variety of choices, garlic butter. Okay, so if you're wondering why it's not too busy, it's because we've come here at like 11 o'clock in the morning as they've opened, because you know it's a little bit difficult sometimes to make a video of food when it's so crowded with people, but it gets really busy. And when they have special evenings, you actually have to phone and book. They do like saxophones and salsa evenings, and it's really cool.
The very first time I ate out in Mauritius, the very first time, we sat right here and it was Erny who actually served us, and that was the first time I ever had bowl reverse, and it's why it's always got such a fun memory for me. Ricky obviously had the rugai, and then she just had to join Mauritian cuisine to find out how you make a rugai, but it was actually Erny who was the first person to ever give us Mauritian food in Mauritius.
Okay, so it's a really big restaurant. We always sit outside, but inside you've got lots of tables and fans and things, and a really awesome bar, and then the outside stuff.
And this is actually Erny. She was the first person in Mauritius to give me Mauritian food. It's just so nice that we can go to the same place we came and got our first Mauritian meal.
I think I also had the calamari and Creole sauce.
I think so, and I had the bowl reverse.
We're actually repeating our...
We're doing an exact replica.
And Erny speaks like so many languages. German, French, Creole, English, a little bit Italian. Yes. She's wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, Erny. This is the bar where they'll make you all your cocktails and things like that. But it's all the way at the other end that the most important thing is. Erny's special vanilla rum. It is like the best thing in Mauritius.
Yeah, every tourist likes this very much.
Yes, they really do. And I come to be a tourist every time to come get this.
Yes. There is rosinen, sugarcane, vanilla, secrets, a lot of secrets.
Have a look inside. Oh, there you go. Look at that. It's sugarcane and vanilla and all sorts of grapes and all sorts of other secret ingredients. And it is the best rum in Mauritius. Ricky filming beer.
Okay, so just in case you have no idea what we're talking about when we say Pereybere Beach, it's right up here at the north next to Grand Bay. Zooming in, zooming in, zooming in. That's the amazing Pereybere Beach. Oh, it wants me to flip my phone around again. And we're right here. We're actually there, but it's inaccurate. Right here.
All the way zoomed in.
Yeah, we're actually there.
I'm on the beach though.
Apparently, and I'm somewhere out there.
When we used to live in Pereybere, we used to come here a lot because they have so much different choice on their menu. But I would say 90, maybe 95% of the time, I would get the bowl reverse. It's always my favorite. I've got a great story when we come to it. I'll tell you a fantastic story about bowl reverse.
Look at this. Now focus. Look at this.
Snacks have arrived.
Yeah, this is the one of the little, these are the fish. But you can get chicken or calamari or all sorts of these
Prawns.
little wonderful wonderfulnesses. Such a great way. Or you can just come and have a beer or a cocktail and just grab some of these and spend the whole afternoon
Enjoying it.
when it gets a bit too hot on the beach. I can hear Brian salivating over there.
What do you mean here? It's dripping out of my mouth.
Go for it, grab one.
Well, I'm just going to have one straight up because, well, they're hot. They're actually hot.
There. I mean, we know they're nice, but we're showing for you. There's actually a nice piece of fish inside.
And so crunchy.
Well, they make the best of these little things.
Here we go, Ricky. This is
Garlic.
Garlic. Let me zoom in on that. Look at that. It's a
Proper
big chunk
chunk
of fish.
Gorgeous. Look at that flaky.
Wow.
Oh, and it's nice fish.
It really is nice.
And this stuff. You know me. I
Uh-huh.
love it.
Her garlic sauce and pop the whole thing in. They are perfectly hot and scrummy. Happy giggles from Ricky. These they are so yum. But Erny makes her own
Green chili.
green chili. I remember. So I'm not going to put too much on. But here we go. It's so fresh. It is so fresh and mouth-watering. It is
Yeah.
yum. I'm going for another one.
Oh no, it goes perfectly with these things. I love them.
Back of the throat a little. Perfect little morsel.
Very fresh
should
with
try a
green
little bit.
chili. And Brian says some apple in it. So I'm going to, that's classic. I'm going to try some of that.
Ricky's going to try a little bit of the chili. Chili
Quite
always.
a bit.
That's a lot of chili, in fact. Just try and slosh it off with the
No, I missed. I
garlic.
missed on purpose.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, Rick. I was lying. It's really, really hot. It's the hottest chili I've ever eaten. No, I'm kidding. It's yum, man. It's so fresh. It's like fresh chili. Okay, no, it does have a bit of, it does have a bite. No, it's not that bad. But it's nice and fresh. I really do like it.
Oh, and in case you missed it on the menu, I think these are 150 rupees. And the chicken ones are also, and you get a lot of them. And then they've got other ones like the calamari and octopus and the more exotic ones. I think up to 250. So wonderful, wonderful snack. It actually fills you up a lot.
And these are chock-a-block full of fish. It's not like all batter and no
Yeah,
fish.
no, I already bit into some of this, but there's a lot of fish. A lot of times you don't get any fish in it. You get this tiny little piece, or you get the minced fish. This is
Yeah.
not minced fish.
No, this is proper fish. And
Pure,
it's
delicious flaky fish. Oh, man, I'm actually going to put a little bit more of that chili. With
it's that good. It's that good. It really is.
Not much, eh?
Oh wow, you're putting tons on,
No, I
Rick.
put tons on last time. You might not have seen.
You're getting so brave. So you can eat chili now. No, you can't. I think we will leave her there to explode.
So of course we've got our toilets, his and hers, and massive fan when it gets hot. Really cool little sitting areas as well. Oh, here comes our favorite person. Wow. Oh, I'm so glad I got the chips.
Oh, no, 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 no. I am the happiest
Thank
person
you,
in the
Davina.
world. Thank you, Davina. Look at what I got. It's bowl reverse.
It is so cool.
I just love this.
Are we going to take a thumbnail? Oh my word. Calamari in Creole sauce. Oh, it's delicious. With fries. I know it should be rice, but you know. How good does that look?
Oh man.
The classic, the traditional, the one and only upside down bowl.
Look at all this stuff in the inside. Oh man. How beautiful is that?
Explain all of that to you.
There's a magic story to the magic bowl.
Wow. So cool.
It is awesome.
What have you got in there? Explain.
Oh wow, they're just little bits of things. There's chicken, there's things what you don't know what they are.
It looks like a little shrimp.
Ooh.
Prawns.
I don't know what that is, but it's yum. There's a bit of rice with
things.
gravy. Mm-hmm.
Oh, the gravy's
Vegetable-y
always
things.
nice. And of course the egg on top.
Chicken, egg on top. All little bits that make up the bowl reverse. I think this is actually a piece of mushroom.
Oh yeah.
I'll let you know.
Some bok choy.
Mmm. I'm not sure if that's mushroom or bamboo heart.
Oh wow.
It's
We have to
yum.
ask Erny.
I really just love this. It's one of my favorite dishes.
And the sauce is like sweet or savory.
It's a savory gravy.
Savory gravy. Oh man.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It looks great.
If you come to Mauritius, this is a must get.
Yes, upside down bowl reverse.
However you call it, get it.
Yes, I agree.
Calamari in Rugai. Good. Is it a good Rugai? Well, obviously.
That Rugai is so nice. It's got a sweetness and how does she get it that soft?
Really, the calamari is so soft. Oh wow.
It's amazing. That is not like a chewy rubber thing at all. That is delicious.
Oh man.
Look how no chew it has.
There we are. She just had a piece in her mouth and now it's gone. You're just left with the beautiful Rugai flavor.
You get it with the salad.
Salad dressing.
Have a nice meal.
Thank
you, Erny.
This calamari is so soft.
It is so
You're
good.
a master.
Yes.
Thank you, Erny.
Thank you, Ernie. In case you didn't say it, because I just had one, those are really good fries.
Really, really good.
The story behind bowl reverse goes back a while. There was a chef who used to cook meals for people who would come and order it at the restaurant. But he'd always take a little piece off each plate and put it down in a bowl so that he could then try it and see if the saucing was right before he sent the plate out. One busy night, he didn't have a chance to do this, so he just kept putting them in the bowl and he thought, well, I better not waste it, I better just try it. And he thought, well, let me just make my supper out of it. He chucked the rice on top and he thought, well, that doesn't look very good. Put it on a bowl, turned it upside down, lifted it up and thought, wow, this looks so good. but the egg is to hide all the little bits and bobs and the rice is to make a meal.
A surprise.
It's a surprise.
Awesome. I like it.
It's cool and it's completely true, maybe.
Anyway, it highlights the Asian Chinese influence of food in Mauritius. And it's delicious.
It's delicious. Ricky's taking some of this. I'm not actually sure what it is, but she'll let me know. Any ideas?
It's not mushroom.
Definitely not mushroom. You see, look at what was hiding out.
Shrimp.
It's a little shrimp. You get almost anything. It's always a surprise.
That's delicious. Brian's never sure quite how to eat it.
No, I never know.
I think you just grab a piece and eat it with some rice.
That's exactly what I have been trying. Just grab a little.
Yeah. And enjoy.
Please don't shoot me. But the chips were really nice.
Yep.
And you know I like a good chip butty. Right, so a chip butty is where you put chips on bread. But you had such a good Rugai sauce. I'm going to make a Rugai chip butty.
No way.
Yeah, no way. I mean, way. It's a Rugai chip butty with calamari.
Good. Well, there you go. A different way to eat a classic Mauritian dish. Brought to as usual by Brian. Who would think of that?
Have you tried some calamari with a bit of the chili? Because it's also seafood, believe it or
That's
not.
not just a bit, that's a whole bunch.
No, that's just a smidge.
Shot of chili.
Just a smidge, Rick. Give it a try, give it a try. So it goes with all seafood. Okay, you can stop blinking.
This should be served all over Mauritius.
Just like the sauce and chips.
And rugai.
Oh yeah, like a chip and
Don't
dip.
tell anybody, but someone should do fries and rugai sauce.
Yes, like a chip and dip, but fries and rugai.
I think fries and rugai sauce. It's so nice and tomatoey and fresh and herby.
Yeah.
And by herby, I mean curry leaf and methi.
Yeah, and if you wanted, you can chuck some chili in because it can handle chili.
Top.
This is actually a red letter day. That's Ricky's plate, and I didn't help her at all. Well, maybe just that little sandwich, but other than that, she ate it all. Lick the plate, Rick.
I would, but this is a nice place. So Erny's, the Erny's, is an owner-run place. Erny is the owner, and she's always here looking after you. And that's really cool. Always support owner-run businesses. Erny just told me they're open from 11 in the morning till 11 at night, or even later if there's still clients, and every day.
Every day.
Wow.
Every day.
She works really hard.
Lavina is a professional.
Yes, very, very professional. She also works very hard.
She learns this from the grandfather because the grandfather liked to do it.
Have a look at that. That is
Yeah.
fine lines.
I am not able to do it like this.
No, I haven't seen anybody do it like that. Your grandfather taught you a great skill.
Wow, and that whole meal was 500 rupees. Oh, plus the fish, 150. 650.
Oh yeah, okay, so that's Erny's over there, next to the big white Ocean Spirit building at Pereybere. And there's usually enough parking on the street. If there isn't though, give Erny a call. She's got 2 or 3 parkings at the back. Cool, so it's another place you can eat on a Monday. Sorry, I know, we're driving back, but I just realized that. Because there's not many places open on a Monday, but from 11 o'clock, you can go to Erny's on a Monday.
Oh, what's awesome about the music on the radio?
It's a YouTube music.
What tubers are we? For traditional Mauritian food and great seafood, you've got to come to Erny's. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.